Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 12 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to create the roof, and then we edited the railing, and then we did change the curtain wall style. So now we're gonna continue working on this. What I want to do is to increase this size to similar to this. That's because we already extended this, but actually we need to make this a little bit lower. I believe it's much better to just do so that everything is visual. And then we're just gonna copy the same thing right here on this side. This is another room right here that I'm going to pull up, and then this is a room as well. So this is a room, home office. And then we're just going to pull this one down. Actually, I'm going to delete this wall, curtain wall right here, this door, and this stairs right here, because I don't want any access from here. So we could just delete this wall right here. So now we're just going to extend this before we delete, so that we don't have that error anymore. This one I need to add or just extend this. So that's fine right here, because we have those room separation that we have, so that we're able to add text or room. So that's for the rooms. And then let's pull this one back. And this is what we have. We have a washroom right here that we need to pull back like that. Pull this one down. We're gonna make it consistent on all, but we need to pull it down first so that it's easier for us to align. Okay, so now just pull it down, and we have our maids and drivers quarter or room, if you want that to be. And then I'm going to align this one so that this will be my comparison. And then here I will need to pull it back going up. This is the washroom right here, and then here we don't want it to be all the way down, so we could just have it like that. And let's not forget the one at the back. That we have all the way down. And actually I'm going to extend this one. I want to add a pool, so I think it's much better to add a pool and then to change this to deck instead. This is floor number 5. So here I'm gonna put deck on that, go to ground, and let's extend this a little bit. So a little bit more, so probably 8,000 from grid line A. So just extend that. You can extend this one so that it doesn't bother you while you're adding the pool. And then what we need to do is just add a wall, exterior wall, duplicate. This will be swimming wall. Edit this one. We could just use this and duplicate it. And then here we could just have it like that, and we could just change it. So base is ground, top is unrestricted. Of course it's going to be like this. We could just put this one to level 1. Let's put it to level 1. And then the ground, we're going to add a base offset of negative 1500. That's good enough. And then the top offset, so we want this one to be ground as well. I want it to be 1500. Let's change this to 50 only, but from level 1. There we go. So a little bit at the top of there, and then we could just add in another floor, go back to ground, click on floor, edit, duplicate that, and then let's add another concrete. Just going to add the floor first and then edit it, because don't attach, because I couldn't see the one below. So we're just going to see the ground. and then probably change the view range to level below. You can even change this to 3000. There we go. Edit. You could just move this one all the way, and then now we have this. I want to change this wall. Edit the wall to 100 thickness. So now just press OK, apply, and then OK. And then now this one looks good. We have our pool all around, and then we just need to create our deck. What I want to do is, because we already have this floor, I'm going to edit this Gulam 36. I'm actually going to use this, so I'm gonna edit. So that we have enough space for this. Click finish, don't attach, and then edit. Move this, and then CS on this. I want to remove the offset to 0. And actually, I want to connect them. So I want to edit the boundary. Align this. SL first. Split them. TR, trim and extend. And then delete this. And then now I'm just gonna delete this, edit boundary, and then just connect them all together so that it's one. Align this, and then trim this. Don't attach. And we're gonna use the Gulam in a model in place. So just use generic model. So I'm gonna do an extrusion. So even though it's like this, I'm going to extend it a little bit. Click finish. Extrusion should be around 180. And then another one. I'm gonna set it, pick a plane, and then I'll select this one. And then this one is 180 as well. And then let's look at it. finish. No, actually don't click finish. We're going to add another one. Set, pick a plane, then this plane. And set another landing. And then 180 as well. And then it's easier to manipulate this one because it's a model in place. Click finish. I think that's good enough. So we have a landing there. You can increase this more if you want to, but I think that's good enough. Everything is in landing. AL. And then we can set the barbecue right here, and then we need to exterior wall. Exterior wall should be 200, so I didn't even notice that. I thought I was changing the pool wall. The swimming pool wall. I think that's good enough. It's good. I just need to know the material. I need to copy this so that when I set another one, so we need to create a model in place again for the water and the pool floor. So it's simple extrusion, and then set the material. Go to 3D and then just pull it down. There we go. And then go back to ground. We need to create another extrusion, but this time this is water. Pull it up, apply OK, and then put this one right here. Go to 3D, pull it down, and click finish. There we go. If we go to realistic, you will see, if you set everything correctly, you will see how it looks. This one should be Gulam. Good thing we checked. And this, we need edit in place, and then we need to change this to the same thing that you have there. Click finish. So you need to go to part 1 description of this video, and you will need to download pull ladder. So just download this. It will be in your downloads folder, and the only thing you need to do is just drag and drop. It will update itself depending on your, so you can do is CM as well, space bar to change orientation, and then you could just attach it like that. And then there you go. It's attached perfectly there. If you want to be more detailed, you can add in a stairs here, sloping stairs. You can slope this one as well. What you can do is you can add it in place, and then you do the changes like that, where you change the view and then create a slope, or like this slope. So let's stop here for now, continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.